Hello guys, welcome back to Sky Vibes Educational YouTube channel. Today I am gonna show you the easiest and the cheapest way to book a flight ticket in China. First up all, open your Wechat app from your mobile phone or from your PC. Then go to your profile and choose the service option. Next go to travel and transportation column and choose the rail and flight option. From here, you can choose your departure airport and the arrival airport. You can search any airport name from this search bar and you can choose any airport around the world. Here I want to go to Nantong Airport from Chengdu Shuangliu International Airport. So I search Chengdu here. Then you can choose any date. After choosing the date, press the search option. Here we go. Guys, here you can see many flight options. You can choose any flight you want to travel and press on that option. Here you can choose the class you want to go. It's mean economy class or the business class. After choosing the class, press the book option. From next option, you have to add the details of the passenger. Let's see how to fill the informations. First option is ID type. In here, you must choose passport as your ID type. After that, enter your passport number in the ID number option. Then enter the expiry date of your passport. Next option is your given name and your surname. In here, no need to add the full name. Just add your normal name. You cannot add your full name here. After that, choose your gender, nationality, and your birth date. And after that, read carefully again the above details are correct or not. After reading, press the save button. Then in here, you must add your mobile number and your email, because you can get flight booking notifications to your phone by using these two options. After filling that information, you can see the total cost for the trip including the taxes. And from this option, you can check about the baggage allowance and the informations about the ticket refunding. So after all, press the pay button. In here, you need to pay within 5 minutes. If not, your all details will be gone. So then press again on the Pay Now option. Then it will automatically redirect to the Wechat payment method. Then you can pay using your Wechat money. Next, click the Done button. Finally, you can see your booking. Here, this will take some time to confirm your booking. Wait at least 15 minutes. Then you can see your booking was successful. Also, if you have any doubt, you can contact or chat in English. So guys, this is the best way to book your flight tickets. This way is so easy and so fast.
So guys, I think you got a huge knowledge from this video. So if you got anything from this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, that's all. See you all from a new video. Bye bye.